In this Quick Practice Better tutorial, we're diving into how to group elements together and why it could streamline your workflow. Whether you're trying to organize your client sessions or keep track of specific categories of information, grouping elements is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Grouping elements in Practice Better allows you to easily categorize and access relevant information. This is especially helpful when you need to bundle up related items like forms, notes, or client details. The process itself is intuitive, but it's key to understand how it integrates with the broader functionality of the platform. The first thing you need to know is how to access your group settings. Inside your dashboard, locate the Elements tab. Once there, you'll see a list of all the available elements you can work with. This could be things like documents, resources, or intake forms. Select the elements you want to group and look for the Group option. It's really simple, but grouping is not just about putting things together. It's about organizing for speed and efficiency. Next, grouping elements allows you to work with them in bulk. For example, you can create a group for all client intake forms and another for resources you give out regularly. This is a real time saver when you're dealing with multiple clients or sessions, and it can significantly reduce the time spent scrolling through lists of unorganized data. The third thing you should consider is how to label your groups effectively. The right label makes all the difference. Don't just name it Group 1, instead, be descriptive and clear. For instance, if you're grouping client notes for a specific program, name the group accordingly. This helps keep things intuitive, especially when you're working with a lot of different categories or clients. Now, let's talk about visibility. You can control which groups are visible to clients and which remain internal. This is super important if you're managing multiple programs or client types. For instance, you might want to keep your coaching session notes private, but share your worksheets or resources with the client. Being strategic about visibility gives you more control over what information is shared and when. The fifth thing is grouping isn't just for static items like forms and resources. You can also use it to track progress. This makes it an excellent tool for organizing tasks, timelines, or session notes that need to be accessed later. For example, if you're managing a client's ongoing progress, grouping different stages of their treatment or program is an effective way to track changes over time. But here's the thing: Practice Better is great, but it has some limitations. The grouping feature, while effective, isn't always the most customizable. If you're looking for something with more flexibility, especially if you're managing a lot of different client types or need more detailed tracking, there are alternatives that might serve you better. One competitor you might want to check out is SoftwareX. This platform offers advanced grouping features, including more customizable tags and categories, which can be a huge advantage for detailed organization. Plus, it has a cleaner interface for bulk editing and organizing large datasets. If you're looking for something that takes your client management to the next level, this might be the better choice. Before you make a decision, I've got something special for you. By using the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of SoftwareX. And to make sure you're fully covered, we've included some additional options that might work better for your needs. Each of these also has a free trial, so you can find the perfect fit. So, if you're ready to streamline your process and explore your options, check out the link below for the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.